Turn around. Oh, did you find a friend?
This is a really nice
Should we
bird.
buy him?
Sure.
Let's just pull out $10,000 and buy him. What'd you name him?
This bird is worth it. Awesome. I would name it Awesome.
Awesome. Can I pet him?
Yeah, hold him.
Okay, hold it.
Hold your hand out. Okay, maybe it likes me more.
Okay, let's not do it. It's biting your ring.
Is it?
Yeah.
It likes my ring?
He likes his
Watch
ring.
it, watch it.
Jared, be careful.
It's attracted to my ring. What do I do?
Give up the ring, man.
Give it up. You guys, if it takes its weight.
Cecily.
Oh, don't
It
kill
wants
us.
my ring. It's trying to take my ring.
Cecily.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
She's like, I don't want you to be married anymore. Not to her. Be
I was
married
afraid
to
for
me.
my ring for a moment there.
Maybe if they break your ring, they would give you the
Sorry.
bird.
Holding it, it wouldn't let go.
No, no.
Jared, don't break his
No.
ring.
Oh no.
Don't look at my ring.
You already have a ring, you
I put it in
selfish
my
bird.
pocket.
I'm trying to get my son.
You guys, isn't this place fun?
Yeah, it is.
Rosemary, you look so cute. Oh, it's like scratching you.
I know. I was trying to eat my shirt earlier. Hi. Okay.
He's trying to be your boyfriend.
Don't pee on me.
That's how he makes you his.
It's trying to crawl around, I think.
So if I ever want to catch one of these, I
So
know
like
how now.
bend down and it'll crawl around, I think.
Been down?
Oh, no. You're gonna get your picture taken here. Put your arm up. Put your other arm up.
Oh,
There you go.
Rosemary, you're from South America.
Oh yeah.
Do a dance. Do a dance. Do.
So, what's like their favorite treat to eat?
Hi. You're pretty.
What's their favorite treat to eat? Peanuts?
They don't like apples?
Well, they like fruit.
Could we feed them peanuts?
These you can, him you can't.
Really?
Yeah, he's just got out of the hospital. He's sick. So.
Oh, wow.
Ooh man, that one is a night like a night.